Why do 56% of laptop users experience issues after cleaning? Let's troubleshoot. First, check for loose connections. Open your laptop carefully and ensure the GPU, Ethernet, and screen cables are securely connected. If in doubt, get a pro. Next, inspect for physical damage. Look for bent pins, broken clips, or damaged cables. And don't forget to reapply thermal paste if needed. Got dust? Residual dust can cause havoc. Use compressed air to clear any leftover debris. Try resetting your BIOS, CMOS, disconnect the battery and hold the power button for 20 seconds. Update drivers. Reinstall GPU and Ethernet drivers from the manufacturer's website. Check for overheating. Use tools like WW Monitor to keep an eye on temperatures. Ensure all fans are working properly. Run system diagnostics to identify hardware failures. Connect to an external monitor to pinpoint screen issues. Still got Ethernet problems? Swap the cable or use a USB to Ethernet adapter. If all else fails, consider reinstalling Windows or consulting a professional at Skills Fix TT. Like and subscribe for more handy tips.